Today we are signing 11 acts in the presence of President Metsola and Minister Roswell. And the first file we sign is the EP Council regulation on the collaboration platform to support the joint investigative teams. And we do this in the presence of the LIBE chair, Mr. Lopez Aguilar. So, please. Just in time, yes. The JITs. The second act that we are signing is a directive on the information exchange between law enforcement authorities, and we do this in the presence of Mr. Lopez Aguilar and the rapporteur, Mrs. Dupont. Please. Okay. The third file that we are signing today is from the IMCO committee, and it's the EP Council regulation on general product safety. And we do it in the presence of the IMCO chair, Mrs. Gavazzini, and the rapporteur, Mrs. Sharatsova. The fourth file that we are signing today is an EP Council decision of the Employment Committee, and it's on the European Year of Skills. And we do it in the presence of the Employment Chair, Mr. Pislaru, and the Rapporteur, Mr. Furlas. Please. Okay. The fifth file, it's an EP Council Directive on Equal Pay. The act is signed in the presence of the FAM Vice Chair, Mrs. Maxova, the Employment Chair, Mr. Pislaru, and the co-rapporteurs, Ms. Rafaela and Peter Hansen. Please. The next 5 files are all part of the Fit for 55 package. And the first one that we sign, and Mr. Pislaro is a regular visitor, I see, it's the Social Climate Fund. And we do this in the presence of the Employment Chair and the co-rapporteurs, Mr. De Lange and Mr. Casa. Please. So the seventh file we are signing, also part of the Fit for 55 package, is the EU ETS aviation. And we do it in the presence of the rapporteur, Ms. Kjavak. And then the 8th file, also part of the Fit for 55 package, is the EP Council Directive on Mission Allowance Trading. In the presence of the rapporteur, Mr. Liese.
Good. And greetings to the Czech presidency. They were really helpful.
Also Fit for 55 is the MRV regulation, monitoring, reporting and verification of emissions of additional greenhouse gases, is also signed in the presence of the rapporteur, Mr. Liese. Please.
Also credits to Jutta Paulus, who did the work on this one.
Good. And then the important file of the Fit for 55 package, it's the EP Council regulation on the carbon border adjustment mechanism. And it's signed in the presence of the rapporteur, Mr. Gailly.
And the spirit is of Pascal is with us.
Yes. Yes.
Bravo, huh?
And the last file of today, so it's the file of the Transport Committee. It's the file on the Ro-Ro passenger ships, and it's signed in the presence of the rapporteur, Mr. Seele. Please.
Madre mía, cómo loco. This was hot, no?